Robot Marvel, UBTECH's autonomous bot that changes its own batteries. Imagine a world where robots can think and act for themselves without the need for human intervention. Sounds like science fiction, right? But here's the astonishing truth. We're already living in that world. Meet the UBTECH robot from China, the latest marvel that's taking the internet by storm. This incredible machine has the ability to change its own batteries, effectively making it autonomous 24/7. But here's where it gets really interesting. What does this mean for the future of robotics and artificial intelligence? In this article, we'll delve into the fascinating world of robots and explore the implications of this groundbreaking technology. But first, let's take a closer look at the UBTECH robot and what makes it so special. As Brad from 3 Brilliant Minutes explains, this robot is the talk of the internet, and for good reason. With its advanced capabilities and autonomous features, it's no wonder that people are freaking out about the possibilities. And this is the part most people miss. The potential consequences of creating robots that can think and act for themselves. But before we dive into the controversy, let's watch the video that's got everyone talking. In the video, we learn more about the bot and its incredible abilities. But as we marvel at the technology, we have to ask ourselves, are we playing with fire? Is it wise to create machines that can operate independently without human oversight? These are the questions that spark heated debates and raise important concerns about the ethics of artificial intelligence. So what do you think? Are you excited about the possibilities of autonomous robots? Or do you think we're heading down a dangerous path? Let us know in the comments. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with robotics and AI, we need to consider the potential risks and benefits. It's a complex issue, but one thing is certain: the future of technology is arriving faster than we think. And as we embark on this journey, we need to ask ourselves, are we ready for the consequences? But here's the thing. The UBTECH robot is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced machines that challenge our understanding of what it means to be intelligent. So buckle up and get ready for the ride. The future of robotics and AI is going to be a wild and fascinating journey, full of twists and turns that will challenge our assumptions and push us to think differently. And as we navigate this uncharted territory, we need to be aware of the potential pitfalls and controversies that lie ahead. But for now, let's just marvel at the incredible technology that's available to us today. The UBTECH robot is a remarkable achievement, and it's a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. So, what's next? Will we see a future where robots and humans coexist and collaborate? Or will we create machines that surpass our intelligence and capabilities? The possibilities are endless, and the future is uncertain. But one thing is clear. We're on the cusp of a revolution that will change the world forever. And as we stand at the threshold of this new era, we need to ask ourselves, are we ready to embrace the unknown and explore the uncharted territories of robotics and AI? Meet Walker S2, the self-charging robot that works 24/7, UBTECH's latest innovation. Imagine a robot that never needs a break, tirelessly handling its own energy crises while working non-stop. That's the exciting reality unveiled by a Chinese company with their latest creation. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's here, and it's changing how we think about automation. But before we dive deeper, let's explore what makes this machine so special and why it might just spark a heated debate among tech enthusiasts. The star of the show is the Walker S2. Developed by UBTECH, a firm pushing the boundaries of robotics. Standing at about 5 feet 3 inches tall and weighing around 95 pounds, this robot is roughly the size of a petite adult, making it easy to imagine it blending into everyday environments like a factory floor or a busy retail space. What sets it apart isn't just its dimensions, though. It's equipped with a clever dual battery system using 48-volt lithium batteries. This setup allows it to walk continuously for up to 2 hours or stand idle for about 4 hours on a single charge. And when the power starts to dwindle, recharging is a quick 90-minute process, minimizing any downtime. Now here's the feature that's turning heads. the Walker S2 can swap out its own battery pack without any human help. Picture this. The robot approaches a designated charging station, turns around, and with its articulated arms, it deftly removes the depleted battery from its back, slots it into a recharge bay, and then grabs a fully charged one to plug back in. It's like watching a mechanic fix itself, which not only extends its operational time to a full 24/7 cycle, but also showcases a level of independence that's rare in robotics today. For beginners, think of it as similar to how your smartphone might alert you when it's low on battery and suggest finding a charger. But in this case, the robot does the whole process autonomously, deciding based on its current tasks whether to swap or charge. But here's where it gets controversial. UBTECH boldly claims this is a world first, but some in the tech community might point to earlier prototypes or similar tech in industrial settings that handle partial autonomy. And this is the part most people miss. While it's impressive, questions arise about reliability and safety. What if something goes wrong during a swap in a high-stakes environment, like a manufacturing plant? Could this lead to over-dependence on machines, potentially reducing jobs or even raising ethical concerns about machines making decisions on their own? Beyond the battery magic, the Walker S2 is packed with other capabilities that make it versatile. It has 20 degrees of freedom, which simply means it has 20 different ways its joints can move independently. Think of it like having extra flexibility in your shoulders, elbows, and knees, allowing for smooth, human-like movements such as waving hello or precisely picking up objects. Plus, it's fully compatible with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling it to connect to networks for remote control or data sharing, which could be a game changer in scenarios like customer service, where it might greet visitors or assist in warehouses by fetching items. To put this in perspective, imagine a scenario in a large distribution center. The Walker S2 could be sorting packages all day, and when its battery dips, it pauses just long enough to swap it out and keep going, all while communicating with other systems to prioritize urgent tasks. This kind of autonomy isn't just convenient. It could revolutionize industries by boosting efficiency and reducing human intervention in repetitive jobs. As we wrap this up, I'm left wondering, is this a step toward a future where robots handle more of our daily grunt work, or does it open the door to unforeseen risks? What about you? Do you see this as an innovative leap that could make life easier, or are you concerned it might make robots too self-sufficient? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear whether you agree with UBTECH's claims or if you think there are better ways to approach robotic autonomy. By the way, this article was put together by QMars, a seasoned tech editor with a passion for uncovering the latest in innovation. With a background in journalism and a degree in biomedical sciences from Queen Mary, University of London, he spent over 5 years diving into tech trends, previously serving as features editor for IT Pro. He's also earned recognition as a chartered manager, bringing a unique blend of technical insight and management expertise to his writing.